Hello, welcome to the Tech Hub Challenge Cougar Hamburger Process Precision. Through this challenge, we are going to evaluate how accurately Cougar Hamburger business is operating according to its original business process. I am going to assume you successfully followed through step 2 of the instruction at least. So I'm going to start from instruction step 3 because that's where students find it most confusing. Okay, I'm going to pull up this CELONIS and go to the left sidebar and go to Studio, and we're going to create new package for analysis. So go to the create package and name this package as Hamburger, and go ahead and click create, and we are going to choose data model and scroll down. And if you successfully follow through the step 2 of the instruction, you should have this quick starts CSV file. I have 2 of them because I accidentally uploaded twice. Choose the quick start CSV file and click next and change the key name to Hamburger. Click save, and we are going to create analysis. Name this analysis as Hamburger analysis and choose the data model variable and click create. Okay, now we are going to create new sheet. For now, for the purpose of this challenge, we're going to create conformance sheet. So we're going to click on the conformance sheet. So click on that, and we're going to focus on the upload process model. The process model is included in the challenge. I attached to it, so you should be able to find it, and you should download it, and we have to select that file. Okay, we successfully imported the process within the BPMN format file. So this is how it works. This process was within the BPMN file format. So BPMN file format is used for containing flowchart of a process. So this was within the BPMN file. So this is Cougar Hamburger's original business process. They thought this is going to happen. So they assumed this is their regular business operation process. And what we are going to do is compare this process to the actual business process to see the the variance, and or we can possibly find any undesired activities. And then we are going to head over to overview. Overview is on the left pane of your screen where my mouse cursor is hovering. So click on overview. Okay, so if you look at this KPI, the actual process of this business is conforming on the percentage of 21% accuracy, which means only 21% of whole entire business process is conforming the original plan that you just saw from process model here. So is it necessarily bad thing? That is not true, because there's some activities that might seem normal or routine, but that is not just included in the process model. For example, like ordering food from website or ordering food at counter is not included in the process model, so the system will conceive or deem it as a undesired activity because it's not part of the original process. So what we're going to do is we're going to scroll down and we're going to look at the violations and add seemingly normal activities to the allow list. Yeah, so adding to allow list means you're adding any violations that seem normal or typical business activity. So we are going to start from the top, and as as the instruction says, we are going to only look at the violations with over or equal to 15%. So we're gonna start from the top, and this start preparing hamburger executed as start activity. That is normal activity. I digged into it. This is not very obvious, but this is a normal activity. And call customer, if you think about it, um, it is more ideal if the store didn't make a lot of phone calls to the customer, because they would save tons of time and would save delivery time. So call customer is not very desirable activity. So I'm just gonna leave it there without adding to the allow list. If you scroll down, order at the counter. As I said, this is normal activity, so I'm just gonna add to the allow list. Making hamburger ready is followed by payments. So the customer is paying for the food after the hamburger is ready, so it's normal. Start order website, it's normal. Receive order website, it's normal. Approve order website, normal. Making hamburger ready is followed by start preparing hamburger. I would say that's not very desirable, because literally you're making another hamburger after you're done with making hamburger. That gives me a signal that you made a mistake in making hamburger and you have to start all over again. So I'm just gonna leave it there. So everything below is below materiality threshold, which is 15%. So I'm just gonna leave it there. So now we're gonna come back to first question, which is how many violations are there? They're above 15% after we take out all the normal activities. So the answer will be 2, because there's call customer and making hamburger ready. That was the answer for first question. And second question, in the call customer, which month had the highest violation? To see that, we're going to click on this call customer activity. You can dig into it more, and you can, as you can see, March 2018 had the highest volume of violations. So the answer will be March 2015. And the third question is asking if we know which employee made the most call to customer, what would you do? The example answer will be we can train the employee more, or we can brainstorm ways to improve the system by collecting the feedback from employee. Okay, that was it for the challenge. Thank you for watching this challenge.